Hello, hello.
Oh, yes. Happy Hump Day, Young. And how's your day going so far?
Just simply, uh, normally hot, just too hot.
Still too hot. And it will be hotter every day, right?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So, what activities did you do today, especially in the morning or afternoon?
Especially,
Mm.
uh,
Morning and afternoon or during the day?
mm, no, nothing special.
Uh-huh.
Just ordinary day.
So, just an ordinary day. Okay, so just ordinary day. Yes. So anyway then, after today's class, what are your plans? Hmm?
Mm, I plan to make. I plan to
Mm-hmm.
make uh uh 비빔라면. It
Oh,
it means in
bibimbap yan.
English in English. Mm, mm,
Mm-hmm.
in English, it's kinds of ramen, but those soup
Oh,
and
no
only
soup. Mm-hmm.
only the season ramen
Mm-hmm.
season
Seasoning?
seasoning. Yes,
So the
only
noodles
seasoning.
and seasoning.
Yes, those soup.
So no water.
Oh yes, no word.
Mm. Yeah, I know that. That is also common in my country, but I love Korea's version. Korean noodles, Korean ramen, Korean, yeah, what do you call that? Uh, what do you call that? Waterless? I'm not sure if we can use waterless noodles. It's quite delicious. Okay. So how about? I mean, do you cook?
Cook? No, I can, but
You cannot.
I can just only I can only just ramen cook or
Oh, ramen
or carrot
mm.
or egg fried
Or fried egg.
fried egg. Yes, just two.
OMG. So sometimes you need to, right? You have to learn how to cook. And just don't eat fried eggs or ramen. It's not enough. You have to eat meat or vegetables and rice, correct? Yeah, you have to eat a balanced meal, right,
Oh
Young?
yes, but I live
Mm.
with my family, so
Mm-hmm.
my parents did it that way.
As I mean, my parents cook for me.
Yes.
You're lucky.
Mm,
Yeah, you're lucky. Okay, so anyway, are you ready to start with today's lesson?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so we are here in part three, right? Part three, and I think we already finished how often and when. Okay, so okay, where are we in where?
Oh oh. Actually, I have a two class
Mm-mm,
uh for one book for this book.
mm-mm,
So
mm-mm,
we have to do in page 25.
mm-mm, mm-mm. So page 25.
Yes.
Okay then. So 22, that would be 23, 24. I hate this because I have to do this manually. 25. Okay, so now, yes, let's start. But in here, I think you already learned this with your other teacher. You still have to give your points or reason, right? So, like the
Yes.
answer and then reason, and you can give specific details or examples to support your answer, correct? Yes.
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
So practice makes perfect. Number one, what are the advantages of online education? So point, reason, and examples.
Hmm? Oh,
Mm-hmm.
ho-
Yeah. So
hold on.
here,
Oh,
here. Okay. Okay.
oh, 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 I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I had a mistake. Page 24. Am I right?
It's page 24, not page 25. Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay. Here? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So, okay, practice makes perfect again. So again, you have to answer the question and then you have to give your reason and then you have to give examples to support your answer. Okay?
Yes,
So,
okay.
okay, number one, question number one. What question? Here in
Uh,
page 24.
on especially
One.
occasion. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
first question is, on special occasions, do you prefer to dine out or cook at home?
I prefer to dine out because because firstly because I cannot cook well, and secondly I can have many kinds of food if I eat out. So I therefore I prefer to dine out.
Mm, so therefore, I prefer to dine out. So you said, I prefer to dine out, not dine in. Okay, there's no end. Dine out because of the following reasons. Firstly, I cannot cook well, or I'm not a good cook. You can also say I'm not a good cook.
Yes, I'm not.
I'm
Uh,
not a good cook.
I'm not good. I'm not a good cook.
Yes,
Oh,
I'm not a good cook. Yes. It means you cannot cook well. I cannot make or I can't cook any decent dish, okay? I can cook okay, I can cook a decent meal.
okay.
Just for more answers, okay? I can
Yeah,
cook a decent meal.
decent
So
meal.
next or secondly, yes, I can eat or I can choose from different dishes or I can eat different dishes when I dine out. So these are the reasons why I prefer to eat out than yes, than eating or than cooking at home. Okay. So instead of saying dine out, you can also say eat out. Yeah, just to what's that? Just not to just to avoid repeating the same words again and again. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Next, so do you prefer to shop online or from a local store?
I prefer to shop online because, firstly, because I cannot go out to buy something. It is very convenient, and secondly, buying online is more cheaper than the regular store. So I prefer to shop online.
Okay, so now there's still okay. Can you give me an example? Example. You said buying online or you cannot go out to buy something. So you have to give the reason why. Why can't you go out to buy something? Hmm.
Huh?
So you said earlier, I can't go out to buy something. Because why? Give more details. It's too short. The
Um,
answers are too short.
okay, because I won't have to go out to buy some products
Mm-hmm.
because um, I can order something what I need
Mm-hmm.
in my house
Mm-hmm.
by online. I own. in my house online.
So online. Okay, give an example.
Example.
Mm. You have to give an example.
Or if I want to buy a desktop computer, I can order it online.
Mhm. Okay, so you can say, I prefer to shop online than from a local store because, right? Okay, there's no need for me to go outside. I
Um,
can just choose anything I want to buy using my phone and just wait for it to be delivered. Example, there was this time when I wanted to buy a computer. And you know that computers are heavy. So instead of going out, I just clicked or I just pressed the button or the buy button and then just waited for my computer to arrive at home. So see, I did not get tired. That's it. Okay? It's like you're telling a story. Okay?
oh,
So don't think this is a test. Imagine you are telling a story. That's why I said example. Okay?
okay.
Example. Okay? So second, yeah, the prices are cheaper than in regular stores. So these are why I prefer to shop online. Got it? Your
Mm,
ideas are there, Young. You can understand. You can give very good sentence or very good answers, but I want you to give examples, more examples to support your details.
okay.
This is what the interviewer needs because they already know you already prepared your answers. So what they need is examples or details.
More
Okay?
detail example.
Tell me a story.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. I
So
can.
number three, yes. Which among the following characteristics of perfume is the most important for you? Volume, price, longevity. Who's that? Longevity or longevity.
Mm,
So longevity, how long will it stay? Will it
mm,
last?
the most important characteristics of the most important characteristic of perfume is the price. Uh, firstly, because mm, mm, firstly because I think the I think uh, almost the perfume all perfume almost are same are the same regardless of the price. For example, I had two perfume. One is much expensive. One is more expensive than the other one, but I feel that are there is no difference between them. And secondly, I don't want to spend. I don't want to pay a lot of money to buy the perfume. So that's the reason why I think the most important characteristic of perfume is the price.
Oh, better. Okay, so now let's make it. Let's just check some of some of the lapses. Okay, so
Yeah.
the most important characteristics of perfume for me is the price. Firstly, because I think or I believe all perfumes are the same regardless of the brand, not actually the price.
Brand.
You're talking about the price, right? Like it should be same. So it should be regardless of the brand, the maker. It's
Mm,
not regardless of the price because the important is price. So it's regardless of the brand. Okay. So
Yes.
example, for instance, regardless of the brand. So I have two perfumes, or example, I have two perfumes, and the other one is more expensive. Okay, one is more expensive than the other one. Okay, so I have two perfumes, and one of them is more expensive than the other one. However, I feel that there are no difference between them. Okay, and
Mm,
secondly, I don't want to pay or to spend a lot of money. Pay or spend. Okay, I don't want to spend a lot of money on perfumes. So these are the reasons why I prefer the price, or this is the reason why price is the most important factor for me. Got it?
mm, okay.
Yeah. But good job here. Yes. No, good job. Okay, so let's go to the next one. What do you prefer to ride during rush hour? Bus, subway, train, taxi?
Mm, I prefer to ride subway during rush hour. Uh, first, firstly because uh, there is no traffic jam, so I can get to where I want to go fastly. And secondly, mm, the subway station is near my is uh is near my house. Is is near my house, so I can take the transportation. I can take the transportation. Mm, then more more easily more easily more fast. I can take transportation faster than any other transportation. So therefore, I prefer to ride subway during rush hour.
Mm, okay, good. Again. So just this one. I prefer the subway, or I prefer to use subway during rush hours because there is no traffic jam. So I can get to where I want to go, or I can get to my destination,
My destination. Mm,
okay, fast, not fastly. Okay, it's only fast.
fast
Fast or on time.
on time.
I can get to where I want to go fast. I can get to my destination or arrive to my destination fast or on time. Aside from that, right? You can say aside
Aside from that,
from that, in addition, to continue your sentence. Moreover, okay, you can use aside from that. In addition, moreover, the subway station is near my house, so it's quite convenient. Right?
mm,
Yeah, it's quite so it's very convenient for me because I can take yes, I can take this. I will decide. I don't want. Mm, okay, one. The subway station is near my house, so I can take this mode of transportation faster than the others. Mm. Subway
uh,
station is near my house, so it's convenient. I can use this mode of transportation faster than the others. Got it? Yeah. So you also have, it would be better for you to use more words. Got it?
mode,
More adjectives. Yeah.
more added.
Not like good, beautiful, nice. No. Those try to avoid because they're too common. They're too common.
Yes.
Fast, easy. Okay? If you say big, then you can say huge, gigantic, humongous, right?
Uh,
Not big. Big is boring. Big is big. Okay?
huge. Okay, I
So
can.
yeah,
I'll try.
adjectives too. Okay, but good. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Mhm. Do you prefer indoor sports or outdoor sports? Indoor or outdoor?
I I prefer outdoor sports. Firstly, because mm, my favorite my favorite sport is uh playing with a ball, such as soccer, baseball, and basketball. And secondly, um, mm, oh,
Mm,
let me try this again.
okay.
Okay, I prefer indoor sports. Firstly, because firstly because I can't play the sports if the weather is bad. If the weather is bad, and secondly, oh, mm, oh, secondly, oh, I can, oh, uh,
Mhm.
secondly, I, mm, I can, I can feel cool during the during the work during the exercise because there
Mhm.
is a air conditioner indoors.
Mhm.
So I prefer indoor sports.
Mhm.
Yes. Oh.
Not yet. Young. Okay. If you say prefer indoor sports, yeah, you will give one reason or one reason why you prefer that one. You will give an example. So example of an in aside from that, I enjoy indoor sports. Like what are indoor sports? What are the indoor
Swimming
sports? Swimming. What else?
or table tennis,
Mhm. Yes. For example,
pinball.
swimming. Yes. So if you like
Mm,
swimming or ping pong or table tennis, think of the reasons why you like it. Give an example of the time you enjoyed it, and then closing remark. Okay? Yeah.
okay.
Just give one example. Just focus on one sport that you like, instead. And then if you say, uh, the reason why I don't like outdoor sports is it's very hot. It's very hot,
Mm,
right? Especially
oh,
in summer. I cannot play outside sports in summer during the day because of the weather. So
oh,
indoor sports are better. something like that. Okay.
Oh, yes.
So, yeah, you can understand. You can give very very good examples, but yeah, come on, be more confident. Yeah, your answers are already correct.
mm,
Your answers are already correct. I just want you to give details. I just want you to give examples and
mm,
more adjectives.
okay.
Okay. So anyway, that's all then for today, Young. If you have time, why not write your answers and send it to me? I will check it for you. Let's see. Okay. Yeah,
Oh,
I may give you more. If you have time, example, this one. Uh, you can also write your answers and give it to me as a homework. I will check it for you, and I will give you more adjectives or better adjectives if you only have time. If you
or
don't, then it's okay.
or
No, it's
all
your,
this.
no, it's okay. It's your choice. It's your choice. It's your choice.
If
Yeah,
I would
I'm
have,
not
oh,
forcing you
okay.
to all this. Okay. So
I
in
will.
here, because when I check, I can give you better adjectives or other sentences. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
So that's all for today. Thank you so much, and see you again on Friday. Have a great evening. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah.